Every year, high school students at the Berks Career and Technology Center work with NASA to engineer a part for a satellite deployment system that will be launched into space.
So we're not designing the component. That was done previously by engineers at NASA and the contractors who do design work for NASA. What we are tasked with doing is taking their vision, their design, something that's been refined and engineered, and we're producing the actual parts that will go to the space station to be used. The parts that we are making are the very last thing that the satellite would see as it ejects out of that device into space. This year we are making the two doors that open.
It's crazy that as a high school student in a technical school, we get to work with such big people and important projects.
So projects like this help prepare our students for the future by equipping them with the skills to execute a machining task from start to finish. A student that does this work receives a certificate from NASA that says that they did this important work.
This is one of the many ways that the Berks Career and Technology Center helps prepare high school students for real-world careers.